Atlantic Ocean: history, mysteries, and its importance. When people hear the name Atlantic Ocean, the first thing that usually comes to mind is the tragic sinking of the Titanic. But the history of this ocean is far greater than a single disaster. For centuries, it served as the world's most important route for trade, exploration, and the rise of powerful empires. Millions of enslaved Africans were forcibly transported across these waters to the Americas, while countless ships carrying gold and treasure disappeared beneath its waves. One of the most famous examples is the SS Central America. During the California Gold Rush, this steamship was carrying a massive shipment of gold to New York when it was caught in a powerful hurricane and sank in the Atlantic. Along with the ship, hundreds of lives and an enormous fortune were lost. More than a century later, advanced deep-sea technology finally located the wreck, and much of the long-lost treasure was successfully recovered. The birth of the Atlantic Ocean is just as fascinating. Around 200 million years ago, Earth's continents were joined together as a single supercontinent known as Pangaea. As tectonic plates slowly drifted apart, enormous cracks formed across the land. These gaps gradually filled with seawater, creating what we now know as the Atlantic Ocean. Even more surprising, the ocean is still expanding by a few centimeters every year, covering approximately 85.1 million square kilometers. The Atlantic is the second largest ocean on Earth. Its deepest known point is the Milwaukee Deep within the Puerto Rico Trench, reaching a depth of nearly 8,400 meters. One of the Atlantic's greatest mysteries is the Sargasso Sea. Unlike any other sea, it has no coastline. Instead, it is surrounded entirely by powerful ocean currents. Scientists are still trying to understand why European eels travel thousands of kilometers across the Atlantic to spawn in this unusual region. Another remarkable feature is the Gulf Stream, a powerful, warm ocean current that carries heat from the Gulf of Mexico toward Europe. This current plays a vital role in keeping much of Western Europe warmer than other regions at similar latitudes. Scientists believe that if the Gulf Stream weakens significantly, Europe's climate could change dramatically. Despite centuries of exploration, much of the Atlantic remains unknown. Large areas of the seafloor have never been fully mapped. Hidden beneath the ocean lies the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, the world's longest underwater mountain range, where new oceanic crust continues to form. Around deep hydrothermal vents, unique ecosystems thrive in complete darkness without relying on sunlight. The Atlantic is also one of the world's most important economic and technological lifelines. Many of the busiest international shipping routes cross its waters, while a vast network of undersea fiber optic cables carries most of the world's internet traffic between continents. However, the Atlantic is also the birthplace of some of the planet's most destructive hurricanes. As global temperatures continue to rise, warmer ocean waters and melting polar ice are changing ocean circulation patterns. Scientists warn that these changes could make future Atlantic storms even more powerful and unpredictable. In the end, the Atlantic Ocean is far more than a vast body of water. It is a driving force behind human history, global trade, Earth's climate, and countless scientific mysteries. That is why it continues to play a critical role in shaping our modern world.